stage. This is Creators Club.
Hey, this is Willie Hutch, the Mac. Gonna do a little something with 3-6.
Don't you get mad at me, cause you're all the chose up. Glad to see the truck when I pulled up. Gone pop the locks, big booty hopping in now. Dark skin, gold teeth, man, you know we in now. I know that's your baby mama, I know that it hurts some. You know when we get together, I'ma let her twerk some. Let her hit the blunt some, no time of the month some. Pull out a condom, then I make her run some. Freaky as she wanna be, I'ma let her gonna be. She can be herself anytime that she get with me. Backseat action, riverside relaxing. Flicking the DVD, that ass some waxing. I'ma keep it real with ya, I'ma let her deal with ya. I don't fight over hoes, I'ma let the steel hit ya. All on the town, talking bad, trying to down me. In your heart, really sad, boy, you better crown me.
I'm just in this bitch, I'm tongue to some mud. Booty looks like she throw it back just like some Birdman loves. Nah. I had to get on me in 20 for 10. I cashed out, this shit's a bucket just to finish the feds. My tenner, I mean this shit go for 100 a gram. And if I do this shit correctly, then my money times 10. You over, but I ain't stupid, put it right back in. I buy a building, keep a unit to invite my friends to. Ay, please don't interrupt me unless you talking about nah. I love my money counter, I'm right up to buy another. At the mansion and we listening to Thugger. I'm with two model bras, yeah, I call them dumb and dumber, yeah. Dumber, yeah.
Baby, you know that I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. See, when I get home,
baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soulja Boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me, I need you in my life. Yeah, all that, every day I need you. And every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss ya, I really wanna kiss you, but I can't.
baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.